friends, running kimono. So this was actually a money maker over at Walgreens today, and just a couple cheapies as well. The toothpaste was free and the mini lash bar was very cheap. And then over at Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest, we have free makeup wipes, which is today only. So yeah, this is a deal you're gonna wanna do, along with free baby wipes too. So every kind of wipe you could think of, free. The weather report for you guys, kind of a cool one. Hi to my mom, she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. So I know how I always talk about Walgreens right off the bat, but this is a deal for today only, which is the 19th. So basically every day leading up to Christmas, Meijer has some sort of like 50% off of an item, or like, you know, a very generous M-Perk. So for this specific deal, there is a 50% off for BURT'S, and it is today only, which is the 19th. Sorry, it's goofy, weird lighting, because it's so bright that it just makes all the colors a little different. Sorry, that doesn't even make sense, but that's why, like, my hands are not this red. It just appears that way because of the lighting. But see over here, they're normal. Okay, back to this. Sorry about that tangent. Okay, so if you have a Meijer grocery store, which is specifically in the Midwest, you can do this deal today only, which is the 19th. It is to grab these 10 counts of the micellar wipes. There is this blue one, and then there's also one that is pink. So BOLO for either of them. You're gonna find it in the skincare aisle. You will find it in the Christmas aisle. You might find it in the travel section, but these guys are $2.99 a pop. So grabbing them in sets of 2, and it has to be a set of 2, that is $5.98. There is instant savings when you purchase 2 BURT'S product, so $3 will come off instantly. That's part of a weekly promotion. Plus that 50% off of M-Perk, that's a free item. So free for this, and yes, you can grab more than 2 in a transaction. I grabbed 8 sets, so I grabbed 16 altogether, and I just paid tax for this, so I think it was like $1.47. So what a fantastic deal. Just say you cannot find these micellar wipes. This is a 30 count of just the regular makeup wipes. So these guys are $5.19. So for 2 of them, that's $10.38. Subtracting the 3 off 2 instant savings and the 50%, you'll pay $2.19 for the 2, or like $1 and some change for each one. And again, that M-Perk is only activated today, which is the 19th. So move on this deal toots. Unfortunately, Meijer is in the Midwest only. There is no sister store. Please do not ask in the comments. There is no sister store. You either have it or you don't. So Google if you have this grocery store and make it happen. So this next deal, if you wanted to do it, say at Walmart, Dollar Tree, or even at Meijer, these Huggies 16 count wipes are 99 cents. You're looking for a store that's at least $1. I know Dollar Tree might be $1.25 if they didn't switch over in your town. I don't know. But these were 99 cents at Meijer. So for 3 of them, that is $2.97. We have an attack of the kitten here. You would pay that out of pocket, and Fetch Rewards in my account on the Discoveries page has $1 back for each, so it made it just a quick little freebie, and I found this in the travel section. Hi to everybody. This is our new kitten Gizmo, and he is really into everything. He's just an adorable little kitten. Hey guys, so we're going to Walgreens now. On Friday, there was Gizmo. On Friday, there was a booster that showed up. On one of my accounts, I got back 5 when I spent 20. My second account that I used the most, nothing. So they were not feeling very Christmassy with me this year. So what I did was, I thought maybe a paper booster would print on one or both of my accounts. So I just did 2 little quick transactions to see what might print. This first one is with the Colgate toothpaste. They are $3.99 a pop. So for 2 of them, that is $7.98. We have a 4 off of 2 digital that showed up this morning. You pay $3.98 out of pocket, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. And guess what? An $8 when you spend $35 paper booster showed up. So that was totally worth that transaction. I also grabbed this guy, which is the mini lash thing. So this guy is 30% off this week. So the original price is $10.49. With 30% off, it's $3.14 off. So we also have a $4 digital, so it's $3.30. I just used $3 in Walgreens cash, and this is like the cutest little stocking stuffer. What do you think, Gizmo? Oh, he likes it too. Okay, so for my $35 basket, this is what I grabbed. And if you want to do this deal, you're gonna have to do it like Titswit. Here's the deal. On IBOTTA, there is a $2.50 rebate back for each of these dry sprays by Dove. Mine had a ticker of 18 hours as of this morning, so they're gonna pull it sooner than later. So just be mindful of that and double, triple check you have this in your IBOTTA account. So grabbing 3 of these, that is $16.50. We have a generous 2 off of 3 coupon, plus $7.50 back from IBOTTA, and then a $5 store register reward when you buy 3 of them. So this is $16.50 of my basket. I also got $10 of the Dr. Teal. And then I got 4 of these larger ones to get my basket to 35. They are $2.99 a pop. The $1.99 ones are also part of it. It's buy one, get one 50% off. So for 3 of them, it's $8.97. $8.97, $16.50, and then $10. So for all of this stuff, it's $35.47. I got the cashier to scan the booster of spend 35, get back 8, plus I had the digital one loaded to my store card. I had a $2.50 Godiva register reward from last week, plus I had a 75-cent for the soft soap and a $2 for the Dove. So I did pay for this one $30.21 out of pocket, and then with my debit card because it's spend deal. And then I got back $17 in Walgreens cash, 8 for the paper booster, 5 for the digital booster, and then 4 for soft soap. And then the paper register rewards that should have printed didn't print. The $4 for buying 2 Dr. Teals and the 5 for the Dove. So the very nice manager just credited me the $9, so I was very appreciative of that. Plus I also got back $7.50 from IBOTTA for this, and I got 200 points back from the Fetch Rewards app for this purchase. So after everything is said and done, it was free plus a $3.29 money maker. Well, my question is, are you still here? And if you are, I really appreciate you. Let's give away a $15 Domino's gift card. So how to enter, guys, you have to be a subscriber to this channel. And in the comments, tell me where you're from and your favorite type of pizza. For example, an entry would be Columbus, Ohio cheese pizza. Boom, there it is. 1 entry per person, and I will pick the winner on Wednesday, the 22nd. One winner for this, and good luck, guys, and I appreciate all of you. So good luck again, and tell me your favorite pizza and where you're from. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.